The Food Service Exchange presents.
Cleaning your SRM planetary mixer. Prior to cleaning, turn off the machine and disconnect power at the source. Use a soft cloth soaked in mild detergent and warm water to clean the body of the mixer, the bowl support, and the beater head shaft. Try to avoid getting excess water in the area of the safety switches where the swing ring safety guard is mounted. Use a clean, dry cloth to remove excess water and dry the machine. After washing, lightly lubricate the beater shaft with Petrogel or equivalent food-grade lubricant. Make sure to wash and dry agitators, bowl guards, and bowls thoroughly. If you have prepared an egg mixture or flour batter, rinse the bowl and beater with cold water before washing with hot water. Thanks for watching the Univex SRM Planetary Mixer training video. If you have any further questions, contact Univex at 800-258-6358, sales@univexcorp.com, or visit us on the web at www.univexcorp.com.